Whoa, holy cow. My hair is extra high today. And you know what that means? It's closer to the geocaches that are high up in trees. Hey everybody, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and I am here with you to unbox the cache crate. It is one of my favorite things to unbox because every month, Lisa from Spokane, Washington, she is a geocacher, so she knows what geocachers love. She packs up a box of geocaching goodies, and I open it up every month for you so you can see what it's like. This is the February 2022 cache crate, so everybody's already got theirs, so no spoilers. This is just for you to check it out, but you might want the March cache crate. I have a little cache crate tool here. Look at, it's that little unboxing X-Acto knife to help me out. Boom. It was that easy. Check this out. What's inside? ... We'll get you outside! ! It's a good slogan. I like that, Lisa. Like, this got jostled, I'm sure, by the Postal Service, but look at how, like, everything is like so in great shape. The first item is very large. What is this? Oh, something I've never, oh my gosh. Nice. You got a cache crate tumbler. Maybe you can put your coffee in there. It's a little cup. Probably keeps it cold. It's Mir. I've subscribed to the cache crate for like well over 4 years, and I've never got a little tumbler before. That is really nice. Thanks, Lisa. Okay. All right, cool. Perfect for the water bottle. These are some coasters. Cache, drink, eat, sleep, repeat. Look at this, friends. It all works together. See that? Goes right on top of there. Perfect. Bam. We got not one coaster, but 2 coasters. Oh, yes. I got one of these already, but I'm not afraid to hide another one. This is a sneaky geocache. It's a GC411. I've hidden one of these myself, and they're sneaky. They're sneaky. And on the back, look at, there's a logbook already. I bet you it's Write and Rain paper, and you just stick it to something magnetic, and it blends in. This geocache gets a ton of favorite points when people find it. I love this type of cache. Creative. If you hide this in the perfect spot, people will love it. I'm sensing a theme. We've got some hydration mix. Let's say you're out in the trail and you need better hydration. You need a little bit more electrolytes. This is a little hydrate drink thing. And check this out. Check it out. It all goes together, people. We got a coaster. We got the cup. And now we've got full hydration. Who doesn't love some Trackables? I got a Cashkins. I've never seen this one before. It's a mermaid. It's like Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Did you guys know I can do an Ariel impersonation? I can impersonate this Trackable. You're not stealing my voice, you sea witch. And I always get the add-on Trackable. Did you know you can get an extra Trackable, or make sure you get at least one Trackable in your cache crate? Well, you can, and I get the add-on Trackable, and this one, oh my gosh, it's adorable. It's a little sea otter and his baby. That is so cool. The Trackables, they can just like swim together. If you like the cache crate, go to cachecrate.com, and if it's open, you can subscribe there, and you can get this geocaching goodness to your front door every single month. And if you're new to the cache crate, if you use the promo code GEO15 at checkout, you get 15% off your first payment, so you save more money if you subscribe for the 6 months or the full year. In addition to getting the cache crate, I always get a geocaching tee, and it's a geocaching t-shirt subscription service that Lisa also does, and I get a different t-shirt every single month. And usually I unenvelope it here on camera, but I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait. I was so excited because I knew what the shirt was. It was one that was themed for 2/2/22 event, and I wore that at the 2/2/22 event. And so I'm just gonna show it to you right now. It's a really cool design. It's kind of like a purplish blue, and there it is. See? 2/2/2/2/2. It has these 2 fishes on it. If you remember the last cache crate I got these actual fish geocoins to match. So Lisa knows my size, so let's try the shirt on right now through the power of YouTube. Ready? I'm just gonna go right through this shirt. It's gonna be amazing. Here we go, and pow! Kazam! There it is. Nice color. And Lisa always knows my size. How does she know? Because I told her. If you're interested in a geocaching t-shirt, go to Geocaching Tees, and you can subscribe there as well. And you can get a geocaching t-shirt sent to you. There's a lot of fun things to play with here. We've got things to drink. We've got caches to hide. We've got trackables to unleash into the wild. And I'll see you next time on the next video. Actually, just go over there. You'll find another video over there to explore, and I'll meet you over there.